Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today, we are going to steam purple cabbage with the recipe I found online. This recipe is simple to make. Let's cook this recipe together. Hurry up and save the recipes. And click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support and companionship. YouTube, there are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Let's start cooking. Purple cabbage. Sliced purple cabbage. Wash purple cabbage and place into plate. One teaspoon garlic salt. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix with cooking oil. Instant pot steam for 5 minutes. Steamed purple cabbage is cooked. Plate purple cabbage. After steaming it, my family and I enjoyed it very much. This dish has the sweet taste of purple cabbage and it is delicious. Tips: do remember to adjust the right amount of garlic salt and corn flour. You can reduce the amount of garlic salt or add soy sauce or salt to taste. Some recipe is to add sugar for seasoning after steaming. You can add and adjust it according to your personal taste. Purple cabbage is a nutrient-rich vegetable linked to a variety of health benefits, including reduced inflammation, a healthier heart, stronger bones, improved gut function, and maybe a lower risk of certain cancers. Purple cabbage, also referred to as red cabbage, belongs to the Brassica genus of plants. Purple cabbage has more vitamin C than orange, and that is a reason. Doctors also recommend having this vegetable daily to stay disease-free. Vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants present in cabbage improve and strengthen your immune system. When selecting a purple cabbage, the color should be vibrant. You can add this versatile vegetable to soups, stews, salads, and coleslaw. It's delicious raw, steamed, sautéed, or fermented. It retains the most nutrients when it's eaten raw, but is still highly nutritious when cooked. Cabbage is another good vegetable for people with kidney disease. It contains high levels of fiber and plant-based protein. As a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, cabbage is loaded with vitamins and minerals and contains powerful plant compounds. Purple cabbage is a great source of antioxidants and other beneficial plant compounds that help protect against cellular damage. Its antioxidants include vitamin C, carotenoids, and flavonoid antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and camphorol. In fact, it often contains higher amounts of these than green cabbage. Side effect of eating too much purple cabbage is cabbage contains significant quantities of raffinose and indigestible sugar. Eating too much of it can cause uncomfortable side effects such as gas and flatulence. It's good for your digestion. That helps fill you up, so you eat less. It also keeps you regular, and it could help lower your bad LDL cholesterol and control your blood sugar. Cabbage also has nutrients that keep the lining of your stomach and intestines strong. Its juice also can help stomach ulcers heal. Is purple cabbage high in sugar? Purple cabbage is low in sugar, making it suitable for those who need to limit sugar intake, she added. Can I eat cabbage at night? It is also a cruciferous vegetable. Consuming cabbage for dinner can cause gas and bloating due to its high fiber and raffinose content. Eating cabbage at dinner time may make it difficult to sleep peacefully. Hence, you are encouraged to add cabbage to your breakfast or lunch. There are more purple cabbage delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.